Hey, what's going on, everybody out there? Welcome to the High Def Lifestyle. I'm High Def Jones. If you're new to the channel, here we talk all things finance and investing, and we also mix in a little bit of travel into that. Right now, out the window here, I'm looking at the beautiful Medellin, Colombia. All right, beautiful, beautiful view. Buena Vista. But let's jump into a stock that I'm very bullish on at this point. A stock that I see a very, very bright future for. That stock is Robinhood Markets. Ticker symbol HOOD. All right, a lot of you probably already use Robinhood. I use it on my mobile device. It's great. The ease of use is there. So Robinhood to me is a really good company. But let's talk about why. So recently, they reported that a record $6.5 billion in net deposits had been made. All right, so they received $6.5 billion in net deposits over the past month. All right, so that's one thing that you can say, well, they're growing and growing and growing. If we look over at another piece of information, the CEO said, quote, I see multiple very clear and obvious paths to growing Robinhood by 10x, and they each benefit one another. He added that, and we plan to systematically tackle all of them. Also, the Vice President of Corporate Finance and Investor Relations at Robinhood, during a presentation, said that Robinhood's total addressable market in terms of revenue is over $600 billion, everybody. $600 billion. All right, that's no joke. That is no joke. Robinhood, and then again, let's go back to ease of use. Think about where we are now. Everybody's on what every day? The phone. So you got your companies, E-Trades, you got Charles Schwab out there, you got a number of other brokerage platforms that they have a mobile app, but Robinhood's app is very simple to use. It's very user friendly. Okay, very, very user friendly. So let's take a look at some more info on Robinhood. Now, currently, the price sits at $48.59. And if we take a look at the chart, back on April 7th, we were down to just under $30 on April 7th. So it got just under 30 bucks. All right, now, if you guys know about patterns, you may have heard about the cup and handle pattern. So if we take a look here at the daily chart, going back to when this company first got onto the market, all right, and that's back 2021, August 2021, Robinhood made a splash onto the market. The high was $85. $85 is the all-time high. So August 2021 till right now, May 2025, we have a cup and handle pattern that is formed. You see it right here. We have the cup, all right, and then we have the handle. So the handle is the pullback, and after the handle forms, usually we get a nice breakout to the upside. All right, and I'll show you a photograph here. So here is the cup and handle pattern. You see, we have the cup that forms. The handle is the pullback, and then we get a nice push to the upside. All right, so that's the cup and handle pattern. That's what I'm seeing here on my chart, and it's something to take note of. Now, currently, again, we're at $48.59. So where should we be looking to get in? Well, let's go here, and I'll say this. If we get the first entry level, I would say $45.82 would be the first entry level. All right, so again, we're at 48.59. If it comes down to 45.82, I like an entry there. The second entry I like is down at 39.21. So if we can get down to 39.21, that's a level that I would throw in more money. So 45.82 would be, that's called scaling in. You scale into a position. So you put a little bit in at 45.82. If we get a nice red week and things really drop, and again, if that brings Robinhood down to $40 or 39.21, low, that or lower, I'm going to throw in some more money for sure at $39. All right, so just let you know what I'm going to do. I'm not telling you to invest in Robinhood, but this is my plan. I'm already in, but I definitely want to load in some shares at 45.82, and I'm going to load in a bigger bag at 39.21 or just under $40. So again, the all-time high was $85, and this is, again, now just want to let you know, this is a long hold. We're not talking about option contracts, we're talking about common shares, and these are shares that I plan on holding for years to come. All right, so you guys just keep an eye on Robinhood, put it on your watch list. Those levels that I gave you, keep those in mind, see what you think about them, but again, always do your own research. Okay, so over and out, everyone. Just wanted to give you my take on Robinhood markets. Thanks for watching.